Restoring a phantom wallet recovery phrase is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, it is essential to understand what a recovery phrase is and its significance in the context of cryptocurrency wallets. A recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase, is a list of words that are used to restore access to a wallet in case the original wallet is lost, stolen, or damaged. First, ensure you have the correct recovery phrase for your phantom wallet. This phrase is typically a series of 12 words that were provided to you when you first set up your wallet. It is crucial that you keep this phrase safe and secure, as it grants access to your wallet and the funds it contains. To restore your phantom wallet using the recovery phrase, start by downloading and installing the Phantom Wallet application on your device. Once the application is installed, open it and select the option to restore a wallet. You will then be prompted to enter your recovery phrase. Carefully enter each word of your recovery phrase, making sure to type them in the correct order. It is vital that you double-check each word for accuracy, as a single mistake can prevent the wallet from being restored correctly. After entering your recovery phrase, you will be asked to create a new password for your wallet. Choose a strong and unique password that you have not used before, and make sure to store it in a safe location. This password will be used to secure your wallet and protect your funds. Once your wallet has been restored, you will be able to access your account and view your balance. It is recommended that you immediately enable any additional security features, such as two-factor authentication, to provide an extra layer of protection for your wallet. In conclusion, restoring a phantom wallet recovery phrase is a relatively simple process that can be completed by following a few straightforward steps. By keeping your recovery phrase safe and secure, and by following best practices for wallet security, you can ensure that your funds are protected and your wallet remains accessible.